Here's today's top story. Figma now has AI motion graphics and shader tools. Figma has revealed some new design and coding product updates at its annual Config conference that aim to help creatives push their ideas further and automate tedious tasks with AI. Part of this is a reimagined canvas that's now optimized for full-stack development, according to Figma, bringing teams, AI agents, tools, and materials together in one place. Figma now has AI motion graphics and shader tools. You can also work directly with code on the Figma design canvas, thanks to code layers. You can also work directly with code on the Figma design canvas, thanks to code layers. Notable callouts include coding layers that let you tweak the code of your projects without leaving the Figma design canvas, and AI-generated motion graphics effects, which allow you to make animations and transition effects by simply describing them to Figma's chatbot interface. You can read more about all the new product updates over on Figma's website. Otherwise, here's Figma's overview of everything that was announced: new creative materials to express ideas, code layers, work directly with code on the Figma design canvas. Clone repositories, generate new directions with Figma's agent, extract flows into editable design layers, and sync changes back to code. Motion, design animations, transitions, and 3D transforms collaboratively, directly from Figma. Prompt to create animations with AI, apply preset styles, or adjust manually on a timeline. Motion is connected to design systems, code-backed, and ready to ship. Shaders, prompt to build shader effects and fills, custom visual treatments powered by WebGPU. Effects that weren't available in Figma before, like dither, pixelate, and various blur types, can now be created directly on the canvas. Figma Weave workflows, generate consistent and high-quality visuals in Figma with 20+ integrated Weave tools, turning complex AI workflows into simple tools on the canvas. This is the first step towards a full integration between Figma and Figma Weave, expected later this year. New intelligent tools for teams and agents to collaborate. Agent skills and deeper context, turn repetitive work into skills that entire teams can use to work more precisely and consistently with Figma's agent. Bring in more context with third-party connectors, web search, and file attachments. Generative plugins, extend Figma's capabilities by building custom, reusable plugins with the agent. Turn prompts into tools that can be tweaked and shared. No developer setup or technical skills required. That's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe.